All right, here at Tony Vanuitert house, and we're going to attempt a repair on some flashing here as requested by the insurance. This flashing has been pulled away from the chimney. Also, these shingles have been pulled away from the roof. So we're going to see if we can get these shingles up without damage. And again, I'm trying to be really careful not to cause any more damage. Okay, there's one nail. All right, I can feel the brittleness of these shingles. It's extremely brittle, and as I tap to try and get underneath, it's causing damage across the bottom edge of the shingle. I hope you can see that. I can't see what you guys are seeing here. Okay, but see, I just caused damage there trying to get up under the shingle on that spot. Okay, so that's the whole shingle, and then I can pull this thing up. But just right there, I'm causing damage to the shingle. Not to mention, there's probably granulation loss if I lift it. Let me see what happens. Oh. All right. Okay. Let me show you real quick. On these ridge, on these ridge caps, there's two layers. They may be a single layer, but I'm trying to pull the ridge up and it just broke and tore the ridge all the way up here. So I don't really feel comfortable continuing with this repair because it's probably going to keep causing more damage. The brittleness of these shingles, I'm going to say, is not repairable.